What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So sliders is something that I use all the time on this YouTube channel. And the GVM sliders is one of my favorite. This is the latest slider here, the GVM-2D slider. So I'm going to give you my thoughts about this slider, this ease of use, and one of my favorite sliders of all times. So let's talk about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I must have a problem. I'm totally hooked on sliders. Right now I have about 4 sliders. I have 3 GVM sliders and I have a slide pod. And look, every time I get a new slider, it brings a new element to my channel. All the B-rolls and everything that you see on this YouTube channel is done by sliders because I love that smoothness that it brings to the table. So I have that new GVM-2D slider here, and again, this is one of my favorite sliders. So let's go and talk about some of the things that you get in a box when you pick this slider up. First, you get a premium carrying case, which is nice. When you open up the case, you greet it to the 31-inch slider and 2 F750 batteries, which is really nice. You also get a battery charger, a ball head, which is really nice because the last one that I reviewed did not come with a ball head. You get 1 shutter extension cord. Also, you get a bunch of shutter cords that fits any DSLR or mirrorless camera. So this slider comes complete and ready to go. So why is this slider one of my favorite sliders? Let me give you 5 reasons why that this slider right here is one of my favorite sliders from GVM. First, the build quality. The carbon fiber and aluminum alloy rails looks good and it feels premium. That will last for years to come. Look, it's not heavy to carry. Look, this slider is made for professional use, which I really do like. Look, at the bottom, you got plenty ports and I have stands right here connected to it, and you got plenty ways where you could connect all kinds of stands on there, which is really nice. On each side, they do have adjustable legs, which is really good if you don't have stands. So the build quality is something that I really do like about this slider. So the second thing that I like about this slider is ease of use. It doesn't make any sense to have any complications. What I like about this GVM slider is it makes it so easy. When you turn it on for the first time, you greet it to the quick settings menu. You have a few options here. You got video, which I use all the time. You have time lapse, you got stop motion, panorama, and settings. That's it. It doesn't make it too complicated. And I'm gonna show you how fast and how easy it is to go from point A to point B to do a quick B-roll shot. So I'm gonna go back to video. I'm gonna click in, and then I'm gonna use the joystick to go side to side so I can start my cue points. If you ever use a slider, you know what I'm talking about. So here, just say I want to have the slider right there, but I have the item right in the middle. So what I'm doing is I'm adjusting my camera using the joystick right there. Boom. So once I finish that part and I have the item focus with the camera, hit A. And I slide back over right here really fast. And then I move the joystick to focus back on the product. Boom. And then I'm gonna hit B. Now it asks me, do I want to loop it? Now doing the loop is going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So I'm gonna keep it on loop, yes. And then I'm gonna slide down and go to speed. Now right now I have speed at 60, which is really nice for good B-roll. So I'm gonna keep that at 60, and that's it. So I have my point A and point B, and of course you could do C and D and all that stuff like that, but I'm ready to go here. So all I do is I hit the arrow, and what it's doing is setting it up. So it's going to the first cue, which is A, and hit, there it is. This is how easy it is to get a quick B-roll shot. So all I did is set up 2 cue points, A and B, and the slider is going to do the rest. Now, the third thing that I love about this slider Is it quiet? This is the very first slider that I ever had that is completely silent. So I like that. This is something that's spectacular that I really love about this slider, is that it's so quiet. So the third reason why I love this slider is because of the app. It's really simple to turn on and connect to the slider itself using Bluetooth. So the app is very simple, and it controls the slider wirelessly. So when opening up the app, you have a very easy interface to move the slider, either manual or you can set your cue points. Now I have all the options that I need, and they also have a drop down menu that has some unique features, and you can select what you want the slider to do. It has all the options that you want, and it gives you information about your battery life and everything else in between. So this app is great. And the fifth reason why I love this slider is the purpose of the slider, to get smooth footage at a bunch of angles. Now, it's a fast setup time and very fast execution, which I really do like. It takes only minutes to set up. So if you are in a crunch and you don't have time, and time is essential, no worries using this slider. It's fast and it's quiet, and it gives you a very good professional look. So in this video, I've been showing you all kinds of different footage that I've used with this slider, and I mean, it's smooth and it's quiet, and that's one of the things that I really do like about this slider. Now, if you want to do time lapse and stop motion and all that stuff like that, you do have shutter cords that you can connect and control everything from here to there. So I don't do time lapse. I just use my sliders for B-rolls, but this thing is very capable of doing time lapse. Now, one of the things that I like about this slider is the smoothness, the quietness that I just absolutely love it. And the setup time to do point A to point B, to get that smooth B-rolls to left or right, it takes a minute to set it up, cue points at the cue point A or cue point B, and you good to go. Look, I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick this up. Again, I'm glad I have this slider. This is one of my favorite sliders, and it works very well for me. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the GVM slider in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.